my KCET and COMEDK 2026 aspirants. So by this time, if you are following our channel, you might have known that we have launched a KC90 crash course, which is a one-stop solution for cracking KCET and COMEDK 2026 examination. So in this video, I will be explaining what is going to be the schedule of the crash course, when there will be classes, what all things will be providing. So everything I will explain in detail. So if you have already purchased the crash course or you are planning, then please watch this complete video so that you will get an idea how strategically this crash course is designed so that you can get top 1000 rank. So let's get started, and if you have any doubt, you can put down in the comment section. I'll be explaining or solving all your issues. Okay, so first of all, let's see what all things we have in today's video. So the content goes like this. We will first, I'll tell you on which days there will be classes and what are the timings of the classes. Next, what we will be providing you. So in that classes, what all things we will be conducting. Next, what is the exact schedule? And lastly, where the classes will be conducted. Okay, so all these details I will be sharing in this video. So first also lastly, I will tell you how to use this course. Okay, so first of all, let's come back. Class days and time. Okay, so on which day we will be having classes. So classes will be from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, I'll just add here Wednesday is also there, but there won't be classes on Wednesday. There is something different about which I will tell you. Okay, next we have classes type. So there will be 3 videos per day per subject. Means you will be having only one subject on one day, and from that one subject you will be getting 3 videos. Okay, so what are those 3 videos? So one will be on one shot lecture, then you will have KCET PYQs video, then you will be having COMEDK PYQs video. Now those students who have purchased KC90, that is for both KCET and COMEDK, you will be getting all the 3 videos. Those students who have purchased only KCET 90 days crash course, you will be getting one shot lecture and KCET PYQs. Similarly, those students who have purchased or will take only COMEDK 90 days online crash course, they will be getting one shot lecture and COMEDK PYQs. Okay, so for example, today you have chemistry class. Okay, so on chemistry we have solutions chapter. Okay, so from solutions chapter you will be getting all these 3 videos. Based on what course you have taken, you will be getting access. Okay, now moving forward, what is the time of the class, because this is very important. 5 p.m. we will be releasing the one shot revision. 6 p.m. there will be PYQs. 7 p.m. there will be COMEDK PYQs. Now remember, all these classes are recorded. Okay, so that you can watch on your time. Okay, you don't have to wait. So for example, you came late from the class, still you can watch the one shot video. Everything is recorded. Now I told you that something special we have on Wednesday. Okay, let's discuss that. So there will be live doubt solving classes. Okay, live doubt solving classes on every Wednesday. Okay, so we all the 4 teachers, physics, chemistry, maths and bio, we will be coming live one by one and we will be clearing all your doubts. Clear? I hope this schedule is very clear to all of you. Now moving forward, what exactly we are going to provide. So as I told you, first you will get lecture videos. Okay, so what is that lecture videos? You will be getting one shot lecture, KCET PYQs and COMEDK PYQs. Next, what we have? Lecture PDFs. Okay, so this one shot lecture, suppose you have watched the video, now you need to revise it, you need to have notes for that. So we will be giving you downloadable forms of PDFs of this one shot revision. Then whatever PYQs we have solved you, those PDF you will get, and also we will be giving you DPPs. Now DPPs is daily practice questions, which contains almost 10 questions. Okay, so first you have to revise the chapter, then you have to solve the PYQs. After that, for more practice, you can solve this DPPs. Okay, now apart from that, there will be also test. Okay, now test is on the PYQs and on this DPPs. Now see, you have solved the PYQs. There will be many PYQs which you have solved correctly. There will be many PYQs which you were not able to solve correctly. So you can take a test of these PYQs, right? So once you have studied Okay, you can directly attempt the PYQs, and then you can understand which is your strong point and weak point, and then also you can see this PYQs videos and get the solution, or you can see this PYQs PDF and get the solution. Similarly, suppose you have studied the chapter, you have done PYQs, now you want to do some extra practice. So directly attempt this test. Okay, once you have attempted the test, you will know what is your strength and weakness, and after that you can check the solutions here from this PDF. In this PDF you will get both the questions and answers, like first all questions will be there, then all answers will be there. So you can take the test in the form of PDF also, in this online form also. This will be online form of test. Okay, so here there will be questions, MCQs, you have to select one answer, it will be in that form. I hope this is clear what all three things we will be providing. Let me repeat it for you. First, there will be lecture videos, 3 videos per day, one subject will come. One shot revision video, KCET PYQ video, and COMEDK videos. After that you will be getting PDF of all this. Okay, apart from that there will be DPPs PDF. And then there will be also two tests, one will be on the PYQs test and other will be on the DPPs. Okay, this is for now. At the end you will also be getting the complete test series. Okay, this is I am telling chapter wise chapter, per chapter these all 3 things will be given. Now moving forward, I will show you the exact schedule. So as of now, we have already declared that we will be starting the classes on 1st of November. Okay, so this is Saturday. So Saturday you will be having chemistry solutions chapter. On that, what you will have, one shot video will come, PYQs will be there, COMEDK PYQs will be there. Okay, next Sunday, that is 2nd of November, you will have relation and function. 3rd of November you will have again electrochemistry. 4th of November you will have electric charges and magnetic field. Now on 5th, that is on Wednesday, you will have live doubt solving classes. 5 p.m. there is chemistry, 5:30 bio, 6 math, 6:30 physics. Now you might be thinking that we have 2 chemistry classes, no bio. Please don't worry, bio classes are coming forward. So on 7th of November, we will have bio class here, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. You will get KCET PYQs, but no COMEDK PYQs since there is no bio in COMEDK examination. Next on 8th of you will have electrostatic potential, 9th you will have ITF, and on 10th again you will have chemical kinetics. Okay, so every Wednesday you will have a doubt solving classes, and Friday to Tuesday you will be having lecture classes. Okay, now like this the schedule continues. So the now question arises, when will this crash course end, or when my syllabus will be completed? So by Jan 6 your entire PU2 syllabus will be completed. Okay, now 7th of Jan again you will have live doubt solving classes, and now here you will be getting complete test series. Okay, so for PU2 from 15th December to 28th February you will be getting access to our PU2 test series. Then on 18th April to 10th May you will be getting COMEDK crash course. Okay, next from 18th March to 15th April you will be getting our KCET crash course. Here PU1 syllabus and test series is included. Here also PU1 syllabus and test series will be included. Okay, now these dates, okay, these dates are according to the last year dates, because 10th May COMEDK exam was there, so we have kept it 10th May. These dates are tentative and may change as per the exam dates. Okay, so that is all about this schedule. Now if you have any more doubts, please put down in the comment section. I will address to all of them. Now moving forward, how to register? So you have to take this or download this app, that is Deeksha Vedantu. You will get this app in the Play Store. Okay, please remember this is available for Androids now. Okay, now if you are an iOS user, if you are an iOS user, you can use in the website. Okay, so website model you can use, and in Android you can directly get from the Play. Okay. Now moving forward to this one. So last year you can see this picture, these are all our KCET and COMEDK toppers with whom we have interviewed. They had taken our crash course and produced amazing results. So I can just show you here, these are our toppers of KCET, and especially these were the toppers. You can see Prajwal who has got 171 rank just from our crash course. Then we have Kiran Kumar, Deeksha C. You might have seen her a lot in our channel. She has studied with us and has got a rank of 693. Similarly, we have Samiksha and Sachin. So these were all our 5 toppers. Apart from that, we have produced results. Gagan is there, who was also there, and he has got 5000 rank. So these all students studied with us, so you can trust us blindly. You don't have to worry anything. Only thing you have to do is to take this crash course. Now moving forward, we have COMEDK toppers also. You can see Arshia Gupta. She got rank 303. Then we have Vinisha, Shweta, rank 1129. So these are all our toppers of COMEDK. Okay, so not only in KCET, but we have expertise in COMEDK as well. So whichever exam you want to prepare, just take this crash course and your future is set here. So, okay, now I'll be just telling you the products once again. So we have one crash course, online crash course, which caters both KCET and COMEDK examination. Its price is 9,999, the offer price. The original price is 20,600 something, but you will get it at 9,999 if you purchase right now. Now coming to KCET, if you are only aspirant of KCET, you are not going to write COMEDK, then for only KCET also you have this crash course, which is for 5,999. And similarly, if you want to write only COMEDK, you have the crash course at 5,999. Okay, so if you want both, you will be getting at 10K roughly. If you want only KCET, 5,999, only COMEDK, 5,999. Okay, so now we are having a 50% off mega offer is going on, so please don't delay, purchase right now. The link of all these products are there in our description section. Okay, so that's all in this video, my dear children. So thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe the channel, join our WhatsApp channel, link is there in the description section. All the best, and please take wise decision and do not delay. Please, the seats are really filling fast, so please purchase the crash course as soon as possible.